It's magic. It's magic, I tell you. I don't know how this happens. Good morning.
Hey, good morning. How are you?
Et tu dors bien?
Ah oui, je dors très bien parce que les journées avec Anna sont fatigantes.
I woke up very cold and very sore, so I had to make myself a tea. I've been giving some classes and my students are like,
did you just wake up?
2 students already told me that. I'm like, no, I'm sick. And they're like,
Oh, I'm sorry.
anyway, I'm just gonna keep on working. I don't physically feel sick, it's just my throat and it's tiring because I have to be talking all day. But we have to do it. We have to do it. The show must go on.
Show must go on.
I'm very excited because we're going to go to the coast, to another city, but it's very, very windy. I'm taking like a billion extra layers. I have 2 shirts and a sweater on right now, and I have my leggings and I have my jeans on, so I should be prepared enough, but every French person that I told I was going to come to Brest told me, no, it's gonna be freezing, it's gonna be raining all the time, but all the days that I've been here, it's been super good weather, sunny, maybe windy yesterday, not really terrible weather. And it's raining! Finally I can experience the true Brest weather, yay! We're getting prepared to face the worst winds that I've ever faced in my life.
And you will remember it forever.
2 hands, 2 hands. Oh no!
Here I think it's too dangerous and difficult.
Okay.
So we will go there.
Why? Why would you want to live here? So we survived the strong winds. It doesn't seem like you're gonna get that wet, and then you look at your jeans and you're completely soaked because it's raining, but you can't really tell because it's like sideways rain. Look at this. And now where are we going?
Now we go to l'Anildut.
The furthest point on the nose of France.
Number 2.
We're at the end of the world! Almost. We're at the number 2 spot in France. Furthest to the west.
Yes.
What is the number 1?
Pointe de Cosquer.
Pointe de quoi?
De Cosquer.
We're home now, and I'm filling up the bathtub to take a nice warm bath because I'm so cold. We're all starving, so we're gonna eat real quick, and then we're gonna jump in the bath, and then we're gonna party all night. So windy outside. Look at this! Yummy.
This is bread for you, Hannah, please.
Merci beaucoup, Mathieu. So we've got fish, potatoes, green beans, shrimp, I don't know what that is, butter and bread and cider and water and more butter, and I don't know what that is. And that's it.